Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Hathor Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your Hathor Wallet application to get started. Once you launch open the app, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by enabling this button at the bottom. Now tap on Start. On the next page, you can import an existing wallet by tapping the Import Wallet option and following the prompts. If you are looking for a way to create a new wallet and get started with Hathor, tap on New Wallet option. It will then reveal your backup phrases on the next page. Go ahead and write down the backup phrases in the correct order in a piece of a paper or secure it in a safe folder. Once you've backed up your wallet phrases, tap Next and select the word that corresponds to the number below from your backup. Go ahead and follow the prompts, and after a couple of words that you've selected, you will be able to get to the next step. Now, create a new PIN code for your wallet. Enter the new PIN code one more time that you've previously set up and tap on Start the Wallet at the bottom. Wait for a few minutes and you will be able to open up a new wallet for Hathor. So that's how easy it is. Remember to back up your wallet regularly to prevent data loss. Always be very much cautious while sharing your wallet address or private key with anyone. And that is how you should be able to sign up for Hathor Wallet and get started with it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.